Okay, Trooper 3, we have eyes on him. Just so you know, he's 1.2 miles to the due east of Jeff's Road. For the troop that's ahead of the canine there, just off to your left-hand side, that's where we thought it looked narrowest.
I think Coast Guard would be able to do a lift out for evacuation.
What kind of shape's he in, do we know?
Well, we're soaked head to toe, so I'm assuming he's probably pretty wet as well.
Yes, ma'am. Could you request Coast Guard to our location where Trooper 3 is for a left out 60-year-old confined to a swampy waterway, unable to reach him by foot?
And Trooper 3, if you can get back far enough from that Parrot Road, Snowball Road area, it's less than a mile. It's about 7/10 of a mile to get to where he's located from the furthest point on that road.
Okay. If you got a good eye on him, what we'll do, we'll make our way back, and then we'll try to approach him from that other side.
Alright, Trooper 3, you guys are making some pretty good headway there. If you just continue that way to our spotlight, and we'll guide you in as needed. For 7214 there, I don't know if you guys can, you might be too far away for him to hear, but he's kind of trying to push his way towards the river there, like he wants to cross it. I don't know if you guys can get his attention anyway to turn him around and go back the other way.
Clear. If he can't walk steady, we're gonna need a few more people to carry him out of here, so.
He's standing up and kind of milling about. We tried to get on the PA, I don't know if you could hear us or not, to tell him to stay put. But I mean, he looks standing up and healthy. I just don't know what his condition is to, you know, go a mile through some thick marsh or not.
For the units on the ground out there, he is 6'5", about 250.
He's going to put himself in another predicament if he crosses over that, because he's going to have to go across another huge body of swamp. So we got to get him turned around somehow.
Clear. I've got contact with him. Do we have any word on airlift out of here? He said there's no chance he's going to be able to walk the rest of the way out of here.
Are you with him or just in earshot?
I'm right next to him, talking to him, holding him up. Advise we are almost up to our knees in a stream, river.
Okay, I want you to try to get him to a piece of high ground, so we're at least somewhere where it's dry.
Clear. He's rested probably 10-15 minutes. He says that he's willing to give it a try to hike out of here.